2011 Bluebird Vision from Bridgeport Spalding Community Schools, I think. Bridgeport Spalding, yeah, Community Schools in Michigan. Bus 11-4. Holland Bus Company in Holland, Michigan. Well, I'm going to go on the outside first. Got to take you on an outside tour, I guess. It's got some damage back here. It's very rusty, as a Michigan bus would be. Only the middle part of this rub rail here is painted black instead of this entire section. It's only this section, which I find interesting. Yeah, so I believe it's got a 6.7 liter Cummins under the hood. Well, no, actually, yeah, it's red. It's got a Cummins. So there's that. I'll go ahead and do a tour of the inside. It's got an Allison transmission, as a sticker on the body says. Sounds like the radio is playing. I have the key on accessory, I guess. There's the rules for the bus. Do not block. This is an emergency door. Some kid took some crayon or something, or marker. It does have child checkmate, so I'm not going to do the warning lights, but there's the light monitor. And, oh, here we go. Only 55,000 miles on it. It's less than 781. This would be a good bus to buy. Yeah, this one sounds a little different too. Maybe it's just because of the acoustics of the engine. There's a little window. I'm not going to drive it yet, if I even do drive it. But there's all that stuff. It's a 2011, manufactured in April of 2010. So this bus is 8 years old. Air brakes. So yeah, I guess that'll about do it. 2011 Bluebird Vision from Michigan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Do all that stuff. Thanks for watching.